Hey friends, it's time to do an Etsy launch, and it is a very, very small launch. It is a little teeny, itsy bitsy mini baby launch, but I've had these items created for a little bit now, and I just want to get them out. And if you've been with me, you know I like to film a video every time I release new items. So here it is. It is all scratch offs and one binder. So we're just going to get on into it. This video should be pretty short. So yes, let's just go ahead and get started. So if you know me, you know I love anything with a freaking adorable little face, right? So this first, actually all the scratch off sets here are going to be back to school themed. So first we have the little globe, like I can't. It's so adorable. $28 there. That's your globe. Then you have your little backpack. This one's $30. Again, I like to keep most of my stuff pretty low income so that everyone can do it. And then if that's not enough for you, if you want to save more, you can double the numbers. You can put stickers back on and use them again, whatever you want to do. But I like to try to keep them low. And then look at the glue. How cute. And this one is only 17 plus. So, you know, there's a couple little surprises under some of those, but that is the back to school set number one. I think I might call it school supplies 1 or something, because the next set is also school supplies. So that is number 1. I'm working with no lighting, so again, I'm sorry about the shadows, but I think this is better than the glares. Also, as with my scratch offs, you can order one or you can choose the bundle of all 3. There will be a drop down, so you just go ahead and choose whatever you'd like. So that is school supplies 1, I guess. And then the next set might be even cuter, you guys. Okay, so first we have a ruler. I can't. It's just so sweet. This one is $32. So you have that. And then, wait for it, you have your little pencil here. $28. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with these. And then last for this set, we have your little crayon box here for $35. How adorable, how precious are these? Oh, I can't get enough of the faces. Y'all know. So that is going to be set number 2. Again, you can choose 1 or you can choose all 3 in the drop down, whatever you want to do. So that's the second set. And then the third set is a little science set. And again, with the faces. So that is $36 for your little test tube. Then you have, I don't know what this is, a little glass thing. Now this one's a little bit different. It's 27 plus. You have your little science book icon here. You're going to decide what you want to save for that. You're going to write it here after your equal sign. And then if you find a science book under any one of these, you're going to save whatever amount you designate. Now, it doesn't have to be an amount. You can put roll a die here. You can put, skip or double. It doesn't have to be an amount. You can think a little out of the box here with this. I did say that in my August exclusive member savings challenge reveal video. Wow, was that a mouthful? That these little icons don't always have to just be amounts. You can kind of, have a little bit of fun with it and spice it up a little bit. And then last but not least for this set, you have this little cutie patootie, and this one is different. There are no dollar amounts. You have your little microscope and your little, I don't know, science-y symbol. So you're going to find one of these under every scratch off. So in the little box, you write how much you want to save for each symbol and then scratch off whatever symbol you get. That's how much you save. So that is the science set. And again, choose 1, choose all 3. I don't even know what I'm going to call these in the drop down. We'll see. But that is that. And then we have a couple unique scratch offs. So I think I'm going to call this one the seasonal stack. And I am coming out with another version of this non-seasonal, but I just haven't created it yet. I will say, I have been saying in my videos, I've been spending every single day at the house, like all most of my spare time, you know, I'm at the new house trying to paint, trying to get things done. So that doesn't leave a lot of time to design and create and things like that. So that's why this launch is super small. I wanted to get some fall stuff, some Halloween stuff, but it just didn't happen. And so I don't know. time. Okay, so anyway, this is like I said, a seasonal stack, I think I'm going to call this. And what it is it's 4 scratch offs, okay? And it comes in a little stack like this. Now, it's cardstock. They're not laminated or anything, but you have 1 scratch off for each season. All right, so I was interrupted and it's going to be noisy now, so I'm very sorry about that. But this is, like I said, 1 scratch off for each season. So you first have your winter with your little snowman here. This one is $63. Amounts are 1 through 10. I'm sorry about the background noise. It's inevitable. Then you have your spring here with the little flowers. This is $65. Again, amounts are 1 through 10. You can see that there. Then you have summer with this cutie patootie little pineapple peeking out. This one is $70. Amounts 2 through 9. And then you have your fall, of course, with your pumpkins, $44, amounts 1 through 8. And so again, it's 1 per season. The amounts are decently small, like to save for an entire season. But again, I wanted to keep it, you know, pretty accessible for all budgets. And then again, just when you stack them, it's just a cute little stacked set. So I don't know if you guys will like this or not. I thought it was a cute idea, a little bit, you know, something a little different. But that is going to be the seasonal stack scratch off, seasonal scratch off stack. I don't know. It's going to be something like that. And then this I've had created for a while, but I just had to actually make it. I'm excited about this. I hope you guys are going to like this. This is called Food Truck Frenzy. And so you get your ring, which the color of the ring is going to vary. But it is a stack of scratch off cutouts that are food truck themed. Okay, so the first one you have is just basically your little cover page saying Food Truck Frenzy, but I did add some bonus scratch offs on here because I felt like it was kind of a waste with just, you know, nothing on here, just a cover page. So I added some bonus for some bonus savings. And then you're going to get, I don't know how many food trucks, so we're going to see. So we have Pete's Pickles. We have Dale's Donuts. Let me try to separate them so you can kind of see them a little bit better. Dale's Donuts. We have Eileen's Ice Cream. Then we have Patty's Pizza. We've got Kathy's Corn Dogs. And of course, we have Tammy's Tacos. Now, yes, this should have been Tracy's Tacos, but I didn't think of that until after these were made. So it's Tammy's Tacos. Sorry, Tracy. So those are the food trucks. And then at the end, you have your little price list. So here's the deal with these. There are no dollar amounts on these except for the bonus. Every food truck has 2 different images of the food. So like the pickles, there's 2 different pickles, the donuts, 2 different donuts, and so on. And this is customizable to your budget. So you have your price list. You can see here, here's the 2 pickles, the 2 kinds of tacos, 2 kinds of pizza, and so on. And in every slot, you're going to write your dollar amounts that you want to save for this. So fully customizable to your own budget. And then when you scratch off, again, for example, on the pickles, you're either going to see this one or this one, and you're going to save the amount that you chose. So that is your little price list. Of course, you could detach this, take it off the ring so you have it like on the side when you're doing your scratch off. And, you know, you can take these all off the ring, but I thought I would include a ring since they're, you know, all different shapes and things like that, just to try to keep them together a little bit easier. But that is Food Truck Frenzy. Let me know what you think. I haven't really done anything like that before. And I don't know, I just think it's fun and a little bit different. So that's Food Truck Frenzy. And then we just have one more item, and it is a binder. This is Espresso Yourself. So this is just like, you might notice, my Junk Food Junkie and my Sugary Sweet Savings Challenge binder. It's basically the same thing with one difference. If you saw my Mini Madness stuffing, which honestly, I don't know if that's going to go up before this video or after this video, then you would have already seen this binder. But again, it is very similar. It is the only difference is that those binders have 10 challenges and then like a tracker card at the end to notate how much you saved. This one, I just gave you an extra challenge. So there are 11 challenges in this. And then you have your envelope at the back where you can save your money. This one I just called Coffee Money. Of course, this is coffee themed. You can see the back is like, the backs are all these little coffee beans, which are super cute. Now, I'm going to show you this, but there are a couple, you know, things to notate about this. The first is that I put numbers in the corner. These do not come on the book. These were just what I did for Mini Madness, just so that I can number the challenges for when I roll a die. And the other thing is you will see some scratch offs have black dots. That's just because I already, once again, I did this binder a little bit and I didn't want you to see the numbers. So I just covered up the scratch offs and I put a little black dot just so I know to take those back off again, you know, just so you didn't see the number. So that is the deal behind that. But your first challenge here is save $1 per bean. So you have your coffee beans under these scratch offs, and however many beans you have, that's how many dollars you save. Challenge number 2 is just a cute little scratch off. Again, ignore the black dots. That's just for my knowledge. You know, these cute little mugs, again, with the faces, you guys. I love it. Number 3 is a roll and save. So you would roll and write your amounts in your little coffee cups there. 4 is roll to add to your coffee. So if you roll a 1 or 2, you get sugar cubes and you're going to add $3. If you roll a 3 or a 4, you're going to get vanilla syrup and add $2. And then if you roll a 5 or 6, you're going to get your cream and add $1. So super low. Like I said, try to keep it accessible to everyone. Another little scratch off here. This mug, how stinking adorable is he? I absolutely love him. Number 6, again, another scratch off with the cute little mug. Ignore the black dots, as I said. 7 is a roll and save. Again, because I already did this, I have a couple colored in, but you just roll a die, color in, and save. Number 8 is you have your latte, espresso, or cold brew. So whichever image you scratch off under one of these, this is how much you save, $1, $2, or $3. Again, this is bumpy because I already scratched it, so just ignore that. And then you have another roll and save with your foamy little coffee mugs there. Yum. Another scratch off. So this one, these have multipliers underneath. So you would roll a die. If you want to keep it low, roll a 3, like a die with 1 through 3 on it. You can roll a 6-sided die. If you want to go majorly big, you can roll like a 10-sided die, a 20-sided die. I believe the highest multiplier under any one of these is 3. I'm not positive on that, but I think so. So that's that. And then your last challenge, again, this is in place of the tracker card. I just gave you an extra challenge. It's a roll and scratch. So again, these are roll and saves. You can see I already did one, and then these are scratch offs. So that is Espresso Yourself. I hope you guys like it. What do you think? If you like these binders, let me know, out of the 3, what is your favorite? The espresso, the sugary sweet, or the junk food? Let me know. I'd be interested to know. And that is the launch, you guys. Again, pretty small. It's really a struggle, like, you know, a struggle right now to kind of balance everything. It's a balancing act with my time, and to try to find time to do everything, I think, is just impossible between creating Etsy items, designing them, you know, filling orders, working my normal job, being a mom, being a wife, going to the house, trying to do stuff there. It's just tough. So this is what we got. It's small, but I think it's pretty good. I hope so. So that is it. Let me know what you think below. What is your favorite item out of all of these? If you're watching this video, these should be up. I'm going to try to get them posted today. Again, I don't know when this video is going to air. If you have any questions on anything, let me know. But I do want to say a humongous thank you to all of you for all of your support. I'm saying it, you guys. I wouldn't be here without you. I truly, truly mean that. I really wouldn't be here without you. And so I am forever grateful. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.